So today we shall learn some rules of identities and let's start it. The first identity is x plus y whole square and its derivation. Identity 1. First we have to write in a separate manner x plus y into x plus y. As we know in the distributivity property, then we have to take x as common and then the bracket x plus y, then we can add it to y, then we have to multiply with x and x, it implies x square, and then x with y, this is the plus sign which you have to add, x into y is xy, then plus y multiplies x is xy, then y with y is y square. Then we have to simplify it, x square plus xy is 2xy plus y square. Then the second identity, we have to write x minus y and x minus y separately. Then we have to multiply x with x minus y as distributivity property, then minus y with xy, then x and x we have to multiply x square, and this is the minus sign, we have to put x into y is xy, and then minus sign with x and y is minus xy, then minus and minus multiplies is plus, as you have read it earlier, y into y is y square. Then we have to write it with simplification, xy minus xy and minus xy is added to minus 2xy plus y square, and this implies the second identity, that x minus y square y whole square is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Is the simplification, right? It's so easy.